Oh
Oh
yeah.
man, you remember when we had those three burgers in Koh Samui? Oh
Oh
man.
yeah.
Three burgers. Whew. Better be crazy.
Yeah.
Those about beat us up. Yeah, they were so good, but
We
they had
couldn't
us.
finish that. We couldn't finish those
Yeah,
three burgers, man.
I've been surprised, but yeah, they were really good.
Yeah.
Burger
Okay,
love.
back to work. Hey Joe, how you doing? Are you like catching flies? Like
Yeah, that's my warm up.
your warm up. So here we are. We're back. We're back. One more data dive. Don't strangulate yourself with
Gotta
the
be
coffee.
sucking on my coffee.
It's
Oh yeah.
relatively early. It's 10. It's 10 a.m. here in the shiny Thailand. We have the rainy season here, but here we are. So what are we gonna dive into today?
Today we got a burger smasher. Boom. You
Nice,
can add a graphic in there. Or
nice.
traditionally, a burger press helps you form the best burger patty you can.
Nice. So we get some sensitive content here. Some
Be hungry by the end.
yeah, I guess we will be. So before we start diving into the SEO, by the way, guys, if you don't know who we are, my name is David. Our guest today is Joel. We work with We Are Growth Hack, Amazon agency helping sellers since 2017. We help from the beginners to 8, 9 figure sellers. We are now focusing on delivering the best SEO, and for any marketplace in Europe, in America, in Canada, in Japan, everywhere, you name it. And we are using mostly Data Dive, our favorite tool. If you want to get Data Dive with a discount, click the link in the description. If you want to be part of the mastermind, only for very, very good and serious sellers, just see all the goodies down in the description section. So let's get back into our daily work. We are taking a look at this burger smasher. Before we start with our SEO, as I was mentioning, Joel, can you please share with us the so-called battle of the images? This is something new that we
Yeah.
have recently discovered. Yeah, because someone was commenting on our video, where is the battle of the image? And Mr. Brandon Young himself commented, you have to go on, where is it? Into the deep dive section, right? Into the software section. Can you show
Software
us, Joel?
version. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got to go on the online software version, and then you'll go here, left side, deep dive, and then you'll scroll down, and you'll see collapse all, and you'll click that, and you'll get all the competitors' images, and they line up nicely, as you can see here. And it seems
Yeah.
broken down by sales. So maybe you can base it on sales. Also,
Mm-hmm.
and see for yourself if they look good or not. But yeah,
Yeah. So we know that Data Dive uses this heat map. The closer to the red color, the better the listing is doing. So they already they sort the images by the one that is selling the most according to Data Dive. But the data of Data Dive is getting better and better every day as we're talking. They're implementing a lot of stuff in their tool, AI, This is something new for me. I actually love it. I actually love the fact that you can take a quick glance at all the images of your competitors. You can see what they're doing, how you're doing, how you're stacking against them, how they look like, how you would look like. So this is really amazing. So we don't want to spend too much time in here. Let's dive right into the SEO as we do every day. Joel, would you mind running us through your MKL? Your first of all, as always, tell us how did you perform your competitor search? Where did you get your best competitors from? And then we will take a look at the master keyword list. And then if you have excluded any keywords.
yeah, mainly I think I typed in burger smasher or something, but it came out burger press was the traditional good keywords. So yeah, mainly BSR in the first page, and they actually have their own category for these guys. But yeah, here you can see the top competitors. They kind of grouped them. Cuisine art, they seem to be the number one guy. They got 96% of the keywords on page one. Hoolison, I think that's how you say it. They got 81%. Fires Grill, 83. So they seem to be the top guys. Then as you go down, these guys are good, but they're not as good as those top three. So you can see there's a lot of good competitors.
Do you remember the name of the subcategory of the browse node? What is it, like Burger Smasher or? Is there a particular name for this product?
Burger Press. I remember it was some kind of tool. I have to double check and get back.
Nice. So let's take a quick look at the master keyword list, what we are working with. Did you exclude any keywords? What are the best keywords that we have?
So I excluded some. They were mainly just brand names, but most of the keywords are actually relevant. Here, I actually added some of the outlier keywords. We can go back and see if we missed any, but they were just like grill accessories, barbecue, burger. These you can kind of, I wouldn't know if necessarily put them in the title, but throughout the listing, you can get good juice rank just having those for backup.
I love the burger juice, man. We're talking
Yeah.
about juice rank.
Yeah.
I'm getting hungry. You
Burger.
smash that burger, get the
Yeah.
juice.
I'll say it 100 times. Your mouth will be watering by the end. But yeah, burger press is the top search term.
That's so cool.
Then hamburger press. See, smash burger kit, press kit. So it is, people want to make those smash burgers.
I see a bacon press.
Oh, yeah.
Do you think that's relevant, or we don't need that?
Yeah, true. I guess bacon press, you don't really need it. Trying to update. Yep, that's gone.
Cool. Let's move on to the battle of the title. I want to see where we're standing right now. I guess the competitors, if we can do any better than what we had done before. So we have a score of 4.4 millions. What about our competitors?
Yeah, we're kind of in the middle, in the mix. Not the best, but we're there. We're right there. So you can see we're better than most. There's a few still within reach. This guy, we got to get past him. He's got 5.6 million. But yeah, we're all kind of in the same area. So we got to distance ourselves from the competition.
What's the name of this guy? Gourmet Easy. We're going to make your life not easy anymore.
Yeah, your life is over.
Your gourmet won't be easy anymore. It's going to be gourmet hard. So how should we make his life not that easy? Let's add some keywords to our title. So his life wouldn't be that easy anymore.
Yeah, he's over. Where's he at? So yeah, there's a lot to choose from. We got a lot of room. Burger Press Smash Burger. It's got a good juice rank. Save that one. If you see any, let me know. Burger Patty Maker.
Yeah, that one is good. Patty Maker.
So here we are. Yeah, Burger Smasher. I already have it broad.
Yeah, this Burger Press Patty Maker. I think you're gonna hit it broad when you go for the other two exacts. That's what's gonna happen for sure.
I got Smash Burger exactly. Meat press, cast iron, grill press. Yeah, so a lot of these keywords have a lot of high juice rank. Yeah, burger press for griddle. So I guess technically you could use it for the griddle. Rank juice, guys. And I was but yeah, cast iron burger press has a good rank juice.
I think we're good. Yeah, probably just by adding smash, burger, press, kit, cast iron, you're already adding most of those that we were missing. So let's do this.
All right, let's see, which one do we want first?
What I love of this tool that it makes your life so much easier, and it's gonna make the life of your competitors not that easy actually. Because it just groups all the keywords that you need. And if you do like we do, guys, you highlight all the keywords, then you can see immediately what you're missing. And just by adding a few of them exact match, you're going to hit a lot of them in a broad match. And that's going to give you a huge jump up in rank juice.
I think it takes,
yeah.
So we're almost 5 million. Need a few more.
Let's keep adding.
Burger Press Patty Maker. Going to add that one next. The good thing is we got a lot of character space, so we can slide them in and boost that rank.
Wow. Look at this. We got 6 million.
Yeah. I mean, you see that. That's good. Yeah, already number one.
Already number one. We smash our competitors. We are pressing our competitors. We're smashing them as if they were patties, burger patties.
Yeah. Smash them like a burger patty. Who else?
I mean, for the sake of our optimization, we are already done here because we've increased already a lot just by adding just a few keywords. We always say we don't want to disrupt entirely our title. That's not what you should do on Amazon. But for the sake of demonstrating how much we can improve here the title, we will go on. We'll probably add a few more keywords. I think we're good now.
Yeah,
So
for this one.
can you actually compare what the title looked like before, like 5 minutes ago, and what it looks like now?
So it was XYZ brand burger press, smash burger press kit for griddle, hamburger smasher tool for grill, barbecues, birthday parties, weddings, graduations, sporting events, tailgating, and concerts. And then once we added the right ones, the right keywords, you could see it slowly going up, and then bam, to the most recent one. We're at 6.
Yeah, you pretty much you got rid of some of the case uses like parties.
Yeah, those are
like
those
tailgate. Yeah,
those weren't really needed or part of the keywords.
Yeah, so that's really interesting because as an Amazon seller, when you're creating your title, you would think to put those keywords like how do you use this product, but you actually have to make sure that those keywords are relevant and they have enough search volume, because they might be not, or man, they could be good. They're actually good, but there might be something with a higher search volume. Nice. So I'm getting hungry, but let's move on to the battle of the bullets, I would say.
Yeah, let's move on to the bullets. So here we are. We're at 4.8 million rank juice.
Yes.
So rank juice.
Burger juice.
Burger juice. Juicy burgers. So yeah, 4 million, 3 million. They're still in the mix with the competitors. You got this guy, 425. Oh, that's 1,000, 475. Oh, Blackstone. He's the brand guy. So he's just a little ahead of us, but we got to distance ourselves from them, which
I see the brand name Grillaholics. That's a good brand name, Grillaholics. Good.
Grillaholics. Oh yeah, sound like a mixtape.
Yeah, good calls, guys, over there. So okay, let's find out which keywords we can add. I already see barbecue grill accessorize. We're not using that. Just by adding that single keyword, we can become number 1, row number 9. That's really amazing.
Yeah. You want me to zoom in? Or
yes, please.
Zoom. We're gonna
zoom into the burgers.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, you remember when we had those 3 burgers in Koh Samui? Oh man.
Oh yeah.
3 burgers. Woo. Better be great.
Yeah.
Those about beat us up. Yeah, they were so good, but they
we couldn't finish that. We couldn't finish those 3 burgers, man.
I've been surprised, but yeah, they were really good.
Yeah. Okay. Back to work.
But yeah, let's see what we got. Flat top grill accessories. Yeah, hamburger press. That's a good one. Burger smasher for griddle. Burger press smash burger. Yeah, that's the type of burger you want to make. 300 burger press patty maker. It's got a good rank juice. Oh yeah, burger press for griddle. Yeah, you could use it. It's got a good rank. Yeah, that we already use it. Cast iron.
We have also hamburger press Pro 34. It's a different way. 400,000 in score. Row number 34.
Oh, 34.
Yep. Hamburger press for griddle. But griddle burger press is actually good. Like it's got a lot of juice there. We want to try to add this one.
Yeah, that's a good one. Ooh, griddle smash burger press 383. Yeah, that'll.
Yeah, how many keywords do we have now?
At least 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make it 6.
Perfect. Let's just keep it very short. Let's add those 5 or 6 keywords into our bullet points. Let's highlight them. Guys, we're gonna take care of the bullets. We're gonna speed up the video. So can we show us the bullets, how they look like? So this is what the bullets look like right now.
Zoom in a little quick.
Yeah.
Boom.
This is what the bullets look like right now. We will fast forward after we're done with adding the keywords, and you will see what's the score right now.
Score right now is 4.8 million rank
nice.
juice.
We will take 2 seconds to add those keywords. We'll fast forward, and then you will see, boom, the new keywords and the new bullets, and what's gonna be the score like. All right.
Better be great.
Right. So here we are back. Fast forward. We added all the extra keywords. So the keywords in red is what we were using before, the keywords we were using before, and the keywords in blue, highlighted in blue, are the new keywords that we found thanks to data dive, and we just added them. We were saving you the process of adding each keywords, but here they are. So Joel, can you quickly run us through those bullets? What kind of keywords you use? How did you put in there?
Oh yeah, for sure. So first one, trying to grab your attention with creating the best burger you can with master the art of burger making, elevate your grilling experience. And then I kind of break down what you can do with our smash burger press kit. And then I move on to kind of keep you engaged. So now we're going to take your burgers to the next level. So now you're ready to cook your burger. So take your burgers to the next level, create mouth-watering gourmet masterpieces with our professional burger press for griddle, and then so on and so forth. Kind of break it down how you can make a thick and juicy burger.
Oh my God, I'm hungry already.
Yeah, you hungry now, boy? Yeah. But now the third is kind of what the burger press is made of. So durable construction made from high quality materials. And then the keyword is cast iron, which is good. So that gives us a higher SEO, cast iron burger press, and then it's built to last. So you can use it for years to come. And then the next, after you're done cooking your mouth-watering juicy burgers, it's easy to clean, simply wipe it off, dishwasher safe, all that goodness. And then, yeah, the very end is how it's versatile and multi-purpose, how you can use it for not just burgers, you can use it for sliders, veggie burgers, other types of kind of meat patties and whatnot. And then kind of events you can use it. So birthdays, grilling, weddings, all the ways you can use the burger press. So yeah,
nice. I love it. It's really good. You made me hungry. You increased the we have increased a lot the score. We passed from 4 point whatever million to a 7.6 million here in score. I'm really satisfied with what we did. Once again, for the bullets, you can increase a lot more. You can have an increase of like 50%, 40% at once, because you got more characters to play with. So can we take a quick look at the description in the listing builder? Okay. Let's see at the score that we have in there. All right. So what we have 9 million here. We've used a lot of characters. We still have 550 characters left. We could add more keywords here if we wanted. Let's take a look at the search terms.
Search terms.
Nice. 7 million is really good. We could optimize this even further. But guys, we don't want to take too much of your time. I think this was a very, very good optimization here. We've done a lot of things. If you want any help with optimizing your listings, we are just sharing a lot of free tips, free advices here. You don't even have to use data dive. You can just get a lot of, you can brainstorm with us. You can see how we create our listings. Especially, I think the most interesting part is how we build the title. If we can go back into the listing builder, how to build a good title. You don't even need a tool. You just need to use your mind. We are not telling you have to get data dive. Some people are asking me, you work with data dive? You work for data dive? No, I just love this tool, and I'm suggesting you guys to get it because it's amazing. You can do a lot of things, and it just makes your life easier. I mean, you don't have to, especially if you don't have that many listings to. You can do your research, manually. But if you're doing thousands of listings a year like we're doing, then you definitely need to use a tool like data dive, because we only in 2022 we have optimized 15,000 SKUs. If you need some help in any marketplace on Amazon, just get in touch with us. We're gonna make the best listing for you. We show you how we do the bullets, the title, how we integrate unique selling points, features with SEO keywords. What else do you want? So this is it. Joel, this was very good. You made me hungry. I'm going to make a burger right now.
Hey, I'm about to go. I need a burger now.
Yes. So we learned a few more things here today. That was really good. Thank you so much, Joel.
Thank you. Always a pleasure.
And I'll see you at the next video and the next listing optimization. Guys, remember to subscribe if you didn't.
Almost to 1,000.
Leave us a like. Yes, we're almost reaching 1,000 right now. Leave us a like. Leave us a comment. Do all this good stuff. Help us growing. We're helping you with the listing. You help us growing. Yep. Cheers. Peace.
Good stuff.